Hello, for today's video, I'm gonna make a delicious chicken recipe, and here are the prepared ingredients: clean and washed chicken parts, 5 pieces of smashed garlic, a piece of grated carrot, seasonings, a teaspoon of paprika, turmeric, black pepper, coriander, and cumin powder, 2 pieces of white onion cut into small cubes, peeled tomatoes, bell peppers, 2 pieces of squeezed lemon juice, wooden cinnamon, bay leaves, cardamom seeds, and a few cloves. Let's get started. Let's season our chicken. Let's put all our prepared seasoning. Add a tablespoon of salt. And add half of the squeezed lemon juice. Keep the remaining for later on. Mix all together. Now it's done. Keep aside. With heated olive oil, let's fry our seasoned chicken. Fry each side for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, turn it on the other side. And fry it again for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, let's remove. After removing it, keep aside. Let's fry another batch of chicken. Just repeat the process. Fry the last batch of the chicken. The same process. Keep the remaining sauce. Done. With the same pot, let's fry our prepared ingredients. Fry a little bit. Let's add our onion. Fry until it releases the aroma. Add our garlic. Add the black raisins, carrot, mix all together. Add our tomato. Add a tablespoon of tomato paste. Combine all together. Now let's put back in our fried chicken. Add a teaspoon of salt. Let's add water. Enough to cover all the chicken. And add our bell peppers. Cover it and let it boil for 15 minutes. And after 5 minutes, let's turn off the cooking machine. Let's check our chicken. Now, halfway done. With the same bowl we used for marinating the chicken before, let's add a sauce from the boiled chicken. We take a 3 scoop of broth from the chicken. From this bowl, let's add a tablespoon of tomato paste. Add the remaining lemon before. Add teaspoon of black pepper. Mix until the black pepper dissolve. Now let's remove our boiled chicken and put in our made sauce. Now we remove all the chicken. Keep the soup for later use. Let's add chili flakes. Mix it. Now done. Let's grill our chicken with our grilling machine. Let's grill our chicken. Arrange them one by one. Now let's put sauce on the top of them. Let's turn it on the other side. And our delicious chicken recipe is ready to serve. Let's turn off our grilling machine. Let's put it in the serving plate. Let's arrange it. And let's put our homemade garlic sauce. And if you want to know how to make our homemade garlic sauce, just check the video on my channel. And our delicious chicken recipe is ready to serve.